Hi, this is Shruti Dwivedi. You have seen my videos on the Shruti Dwivedi show, which I recently started. It's for fun, it's an Instagram live, and you get to know more about people, chat with them, rapid fire sessions. And I've also started on my own YouTube channel because at the moment my show on TV is not working. We hope to return soon, very soon, for all of you. Let the corona thing end, and that's what we are hoping at the moment. But today I'm not going to talk about आपका भविष्य, आपका भाग्य, your tarot card reading, your solutions. I'm going to talk about social toxicity. बिकॉज बहुत बहुत मैटर करते हैं, बहुत अजीब लगता है. मुझे लगता है कि खुलेआम किलों के हिसाब से ऐसे लोग घूम रहे हैं जिन्हें बंद दरवाज़ों में बिना टेलीफोन मोबाइल के रहना चाहिए. जी हाँ, मेरा कहने का मतलब बिल्कुल स्पष्ट है. श्रुति जी, आपने लिपस्टिक लगाई है शो में, आपने वाइट ड्रेस पहनी है, आप एस्ट्रोलॉजर हैं पर आपने इंडियन नहीं पहना है. अब ये कपड़े छोटे हैं, कपड़े स्लीवलेस हैं, आप बहुत मोटी लगती हैं. वो लेडी देखी थी आपने, कितनी भद्दी लग रही थी जो जा रही थी. बाल कैसे कम हो गए, स्किन ख़राब हो रही है, अरे एजिंग हो रही है, झुर्रियाँ आ रही हैं, चेहरे पे काले पैचेस आ रहे हैं. तो घर बैठ अपना भविष्य सुधार ले, दूसरे का बाद में बताना. भैया तुम हो कौन, हो कौन सच में. आई मीन दैट, एंड आई रियली मीन दैट. Stop objectifying people, stop pointing people, stop judging people. You have just one life and this corona has made you understand. एक ही ज़िंदगी है, आपको नहीं पता कोई अपने मोटापे से कितना झेल रहा है. I had this swelling in the thyroid gland, pituitary, for many years, and from a weight size of 45, I did not even realize I became a weight like double my weight. Can you believe it? It must be so painful for me. I've been on diet forever, perennial. I don't even remember eating things I like. I don't even remember what I liked to eat. And there are many women like me. बाल पतले हो रहे हैं, कम हो रहे हैं. क्या हम कम कॉन्शियस हैं, आप बताते हैं. ये मैं एक पोस्ट, मेरी एक फ्रेंड शीतल, उसने कल डाली थी, तो मुझे याद आया मुझे इस पे एक वीडियो बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी था. आपने छोटे कपड़े पहने, आपने बड़े कपड़े पहने, आपके पिताजी ने ये कपड़े नहीं दिए हैं, और आप में दम है नहीं ख़रीदने की मेरी वॉर्डरोब. बुरा लगता है ना, लोगों को भी बुरा लगता है, महिलाओं को बुरा लगता है. अपना भविष्य सुधारो. हमारा आपको नहीं देखना, स्किप द वीडियो. नो नीड टू वॉच इट. यू आर नॉट एन ऑब्लिगेशन, यू आर नॉट नीडेड. किसी भी एंकर पे कमेंट, किसी भी लेडी पे, मोहल्ले वाली आंटी पे कमेंट, पर्सनल ओके फाइन, बट डोंट गो स्प्रेडिंग हेट्रेड. You know, life is so short, you never know, and we are going to live with corona, and you're creating toxicity. Do you understand how toxic? Do you understand how toxic the environment begins to be like? Why do you think a woman likes to dress up? It's her choice, it's a personal choice. Why do you think a man who wears a dhoti pajama is more accurate in astrology? Trust me, not. And I can say that with proof. And no harm in not being accurate also. It's okay, it's fine. We are all human beings, we are all prone to errors. क्या आपसे कभी गलतियाँ नहीं होती हैं? क्या आप इतने परफेक्ट हैं कि किसी और को जज करेंगे? आप ऐश्वर्या राय, सलमान खान जैसे पैदा हुए हैं जो एकदम परफेक्ट फॉरएवर हैं? नो, एवरीथिंग इज़ रिलेटिव. If, say for example, you're an astrologer, Shruti ji, you should not go partying, you should not be seen dancing. It's for me. I'm using myself as an example. It could be used for other people. Why? Who are you to tell me what I need to do at my free time? You're getting my time point. बहुत साल पहले की बात है, लोग इस तरीके की बातें बनाते हैं. मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि मानसिक गंदगी है. And we must step up to point out such people and tell them, boss, you're wrong. What we do is we ban, we delete them, we block them. But that doesn't suffice. They don't stop. They create new IDs. They do that. Are you available to chat? Why would I be available to chat with you? Like, unless it's a business proposition, unless it's work, or you're my friend, I don't even know you. You know, you're getting my point. And then if you say no, they create new IDs and they start socially abusing you. How many women agree with me? How many women agree that they've been objectified by their own family members? Kamar moti ho rahi hai. Your legs are thick. I've been known as thunder thighs all my life, and I'm proud of it. I don't care. That's how it is. I don't care. No. I care for better causes. I care for people. I'm sensitive towards people who are hurt. I'm sensitive towards people who are suffering. I'm sensitive towards people who are fighting a disease, battling a disease, who want to make an impact on people, who want to live more. आस्क मी, मेरे फ्रेंड लिस्ट में जितने लोग होंगे, ये कभी उन्हें ज़रूरत पड़ी होगी या उनके परिवार में किसी को कैंसर हुआ होगा और उन्होंने रीडिंग मांगी होगी तो मैंने कभी चार्ज करी होगी? नेवर एवर, never ever. And I'm not born to an Ambani that I can't charge. Stop objectifying people on their money, on their character, on their looks, on what they wear, how they interact, what they do in their free time. The children, you know, it's terrible. That's all for today. I'm not going to give you your bhavishya today. Tomorrow, Sunday, enjoy kariye. See you. Bye.